the midst of this incessant rain today, I find no focus for any word. Nothing feels right. Everything seems gloomy. When it rains, memories surfaces. Memories that never appears during the routine morning and evening. I enjoy standing by the window when it rains, feeling as if I am watching a waterfall. When my loved one is beside me during the rain, nothing else matters. But if I have to spend a rainy day alone, there is no day more melancholic. Rain is a divine blessing from Allah, an unscheduled, accountability-free holiday amidst of all the busyness. When it rains, everyone seems to become a poet. Each raindrop hides a story. When the sound of rain composes nature's symphony, the heart dances to its rhythm. Drop that touches the ground, it feels as though a new life is being created. Childhood memories of sailing paper boat also return. The smell of rain mixed with the earth creates a unique sensation. I have been enchanted many times by the scent of that muddy earth. Sitting by the window and observing the beauty of the rain makes it feel like the world is adorned in a different kind of splendor. Rain is a pure emotion of nature, washing away everything and adorning it anew. With the arrival of rain, green leaves become greener, birds become more lively, and the heart feels more romantic.